By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to save thousands of dollars and have confidence in how to fix your majority of your RV problems. 80% of the things that go wrong with these RVs, you and I can fix. But sometimes we just need someone to show us how, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to show you how to take care of your unit. The average RV air conditioner costs over $1,400 to replace. A refrigerator like this one, to replace it is somewhere in the neighborhood of about $3,500. And there's something they don't always tell you when you buy an RV. They say, oh, just bring it back and we'll run it through service. Well, right now what we're looking at is 6 to 8 weeks just to get the RV in, to get it diagnosed. And then they got to order parts. And then they got to put it back in the lineup. So if you're full-time in this RV, where do you live? What do you do? If it's one of your units that you and your family are traveling and spending time in, this just cut out your holidays. This cut out your vacation, the time together. But if you know how to take care of these units, if you know how to do it yourself, you can do it. You need to focus on the road, not the repair. The National RV Training Academy has developed a week-long hands-on RV fundamental training that's just for you. It's the same training that's a prerequisite for the RV technicians and the RV inspectors. So that way, when they're getting ready to become certified technicians, you're here learning the same fundamentals that they are. When you come and spend this 1 week in the RV fundamentals with us, on Monday, you're going to cover electrical. Learn about the 3 electrical systems in these RVs, because quite honestly, that's probably the biggest thing that people see that they really struggle with, because they don't understand what each one of the systems does. Then we're going to go over the water systems. You know, we don't think about it, but we are really a city on wheels. So we bring our own water. We have our own waste treatment plant with us. And then we're going to talk about propane, because many of these units have propane water heaters, propane refrigerators, cooktops. And then we begin to start moving in on Thursday with the appliances. Because what we want to do is to give you a taste, to get you to see what you can take care of with the air conditioners and the refrigerators. Then on Friday, we go over the water heaters and the furnaces. Because there's so many things that we can do to take care of these units with just a little bit of maintenance. 80% of the things that go wrong with these RVs are easy to fix, but they're also easy to access. So what you and I need to do is we need to learn how to do it. And here's a course, here's an opportunity that you can put your hands on. There's nothing worse than reading it, seeing it, but not doing it. We learn best with our hands. So when you come spend time with us here at the National RV Training Academy, we've got the lecture, but most of all, we've got the hands-on labs to give you that experience, that knowledge. Because I tell you, it's going to give you a chance to build your confidence. You need to be thinking about the things you're going to be doing on the road, not worrying about the repairs that you need to get done.